Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with some awesome chest and back exercises that are going to help you burn upper body fat. So let's get right into it. All right, starting with 5 big breaths. Up go the arms as you inhale, filling in the lungs. You can look up and then exhale, arms come down. Repeat. 2, 3, 4, 'Last one, make it good. 5, 'And release, shake it out. Very good. Next, some arm swings for 30 seconds, vertical. All right, so up and down, alternating, making sure you're not opening up your rib cage, all right? So we're not opening up like that. Boom, lock it in. All right, nice little bend in the knees. That'll help you with your posture, deliver blood flow throughout the body. Very good. Chin up. Nice tight core. Breathing. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now horizontally, all right? Out to the side, crossing in front, and then switching. Right over left, left over right. Very good. Chin up. Making sure that your shoulders are pressed down, all right? So we're not scrunched up. Boom. And again here, making sure that rib cage is closed. We're not splaying out like that. Lock it in. Very important for spine health. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Last but not least, for our warm-up, we're gonna do some arm circles. All right, 3 times one way. And then boom, and switch the other way. 3, and then repeat. Very good. That pause to switch takes control, all right? So nice, firm arms moving with intention. All right, very good. Remembering your posture here as well. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. That is our warm-up. Going right into our workout. We have up and open to start. All right, so arms go up, control, right here in front of you, and then open. Boom, control, open. We're not going past our shoulders, so we're not opening up like this, right? Nice, firm arms. We're squeezing your shoulders, squeezing your entire body, honestly. Everything's engaged here. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and arms to the side. Very good for a W back squeeze. All right, so elbows come in close to the hips. We're squeezing our shoulder blades together. You can hold here for a few seconds and then release and repeat. All right, very good. All right, breathing, remembering that posture. Nice, long, elegant neck. Pushing your shoulders down. Straight spine, tucked in tummy. Everything is connected, so better posture is going to help you work your muscles even more than if you're relaxed and just kind of, going like this, boom. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome job. Next, we have scissor arms with our palms up. All right, that's gonna help you work your chest muscles. All right, so squeezing, even before you start moving, go like this and just squeeze. Squeeze your chest muscles. All right, feeling those activate. And then boom, 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 go. Fast, right in front of you. Very good. Chin up, don't look down, don't look at what you're doing. Up, feel your body. Very good. Quick. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Last but not least of our first set, we have what I like to call chicken wings, all right? So you can go ahead, Have your arms here, elbows close, and then you're gonna come up to the sides and then down, all right? So just like little chicken dance, okay? But good posture, all right? Moving with intention, squeezing here, squeezing your chest here. All right, coming up, you're gonna feel it in your back, squeezing, very good. Taking your time. Sometimes when you go too fast, you're not really activating the right muscles. So it's good to take your time and check on your form and really activate your muscles, all right? This isn't cardio, so faster and more doesn't always mean better. All right, quality over quantity. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Set 1, done and dusted. Going right into set 2. Big breath. Starting with our up and open. Let's get it.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Hands out to the side. W squeeze. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Hands in front of you, palms facing up, scissor arms. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, ending with chicken wings. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. 2 sets done. 1 more to go. Big breath. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Hands out to the side. W squeeze. Let's go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1. Hands in front of you, palms facing up, scissor arms. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, ending with chicken wings. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Alrighty, 3 sets done. Wonderful job. We're gonna do a quick little cool down stretch. All right, starting with our 5 big breaths like we did in the beginning. Arms up, breathe in. Four. Last one, big one. Very good. Shake it out. Cross body stretch. All right. Arm goes all the way across. Hand comes above the elbow and pulls towards the body. If you want to go deeper, you're going to go ahead and bend your elbow and go above your shoulder. And 3, 2, 1, other side. Three, 2, 1, gently release, ending it with a shoulder and chest stretch. I love this one. Do it every day if you want to. All right, hands behind your ears. All right, we're gonna come in, we're gonna round forward, elbows go towards each other. Try to touch those elbows. All right, tuck in your chin, come all the way in. And then opposite, open up, look up, and do a mini back bend. Opening up the chest. And repeat. And 3, 2, 1, rolling up. And there we have it, my beautiful people, our full chest and back workout. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of. What move was your favorite so I can use more of it? Is this your first time with us? How long have you been watching our channel? And I really hope to see you on the next time.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.